Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need an Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled to use iCloud Keychain. Make sure your iPhone runs a supported iOS version and has a device passcode set. Open Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen to access iCloud options. Select iCloud, then scroll to Keychain and toggle it on to start syncing. If prompted, approve the new device using a 6-digit verification code sent to a trusted device. You can also set an iCloud security code for account recovery. When iCloud Keychain is enabled, Safari and supported apps offer password autofill automatically. Tap a login field and your iPhone will suggest a saved credential from iCloud Keychain. Choose the suggestion and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to fill it in. When you create a new account, iCloud Keychain offers a strong, unique password and can store it automatically. I recommend using passwords of 12 characters or more, and a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. To view or edit saved passwords, open Settings and tap Passwords, then authenticate with Face ID. Select any account to see its username, password, and website, then tap Edit to update fields. iCloud Keychain items are protected with end-to-end encryption, so Apple cannot read your stored passwords or authentication keys. If you lose a device, turn off iCloud Keychain on that device to remove local copies and stop syncing immediately. Consider adding an account recovery contact or using a recovery key to regain access if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.